Hey, YouTube family, check out that video. Jamaica settled and ready for the job. Don't you think so? Just listen. And the Japanese, them must support them. Them comfortable and look ready for the job. Check out this video. Alright?
Inside the hotel, and this place is set up for breakfast, lunch and dinner. So this is where we come and sit, we eat, we dine, we talk stories, create memories. Hello. Hello, konnichiwa. Got vegetables over here, fresh vegetables, things to drink. So it's just perfect setup, you know. We got Jamaican music playing. Everything is decorated like Jamaica. Make Jamaican food here, so we can feel like we're at home. So, yeah, this was up. Oh. So, we are on the second day, guys. We are having breakfast. You know, a team room for sure. Having some breakfast with the guys. See, man like Rika over there, so Rika, so man. Yeah, you have man like Paul right there, so Paul there foot. And then you have man like Crime Minister. One and only crime there, that's so. They have some breakfast. Great team room, nice team room. Good vibes all around.
Them wild, them weird.
Like, yeah, they like. You go a party, you can't dance for a girl, like, make a girl come find you. You can't go for a girl. Yeah, man?
Because one time, I think about 2 to 3 years, every party you go, the man them a dance in a group by themselves and all like girl them over there watch them.
Oh, when the dancing style can come out.
Every man like maybe like the girl them over there so I look at them like wow.
Yeah, me alone never care. So girl them take over the style now, so alright then.
No girl them say, yo, I can't come to it.
And me alone, I go to party with my virgin and my woman. I don't have a pregnant woman, one for my virgin.
That was alright, watch it. Me show you.
Weird youth.
Hold on, I get that.
Rather my woman dance with my friend them than a random man. No, you woman can't dance for no man, bro.
Depends on the left. It depends on the left. Come on,
yeah, if on the front, if she wine and have fun. Okay, me never did it, she probably would have did the same shit.
Different because you see.
I never probably if my woman go a party and go dance.
With me daddy?
A party?
I'm a daddy. I'm a daddy.
No, me can't do that
the whole night.
No, me can't do that. If you made it that I can't, you know.
Bro, me not care.
As long as she trust me and can tell me we talk about it. If me go a party, me not go and like say me I go one party, go turn up so with me longer. You get me I say? Fear is fear. Either we do it or we do it or we not do it.
Earth for that man.
No, watch it. Hold on, let's do that because that girl in the man, see a girl as a wife.
No, I not even about that.
Hey guys, we're back here on YouTube. This is my cousin right here, Leah Anderson. Anderson's out here representing in Tokyo. Right now we're in Tokyo, Japan, and today I have training unfortunately, but she's going to an ambassador event where she will be meeting kids and signing some autograph, taking some pictures, doing her thing. So she is officially doing a vlog takeover today, showing you guys what's going on. So shout out to cousin, we're out here representing for sure.
I'll try my best.
She's gonna try her best, guys, so show her some love and support for sure. Alright, cause
The teachers are gonna show us. Okay. Oh my goodness.
And then, じゃんけんぽん。あいこでしょ。勝ちました。勝った方が前。負けた方が後ろになります。
If you lose, you go into the back of the line.
はい、これを繰り返していって、だんだん長い汽車ができていきます。
So this is how we play the game, and then we end up forming a very long train.
This is like elimination. Oh my gosh, I'm scared. I saw the goo, Jankenpo. I saw a goo, Jankenpo. I'm not trying to lose to these kids. I saw. I don't know what's going on. I don't know what's going on. They're so cute. There's so many of them. Did you lose? Did he lose? The kids didn't choose me. You lost? They lost. They lost. No, I didn't play. I didn't play. They didn't pick me. Oh. Did I win? Oh, look at that. Ashanti, look at the
Yeah, reach a truck, you know. Konnichiwa. 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 Nice. Here at the truck. Never transfer, never that. Jay got a biggest side, man. Jay got a big school. Some speeding.
Yeah.
That's the 200 meter mark, right? 100 and 200.
It's a great job.
So here at the stadium, the tour continues. We have a room that basically showcases the history and legacy of Jamaica. This is the last time that the athletes were here in 2015. Basically super team. We have Ashmead and Asafa Powell right there. Then just like today, the folks came out. Today and tomorrow we're having a open training where folks just come and watch us train, basically sign autographs, have a great session. So yeah, this morning during my hectic workout session 7 300s and 2 150s, everybody was here watching me struggle. But yes, struggle but feel good. But yeah, this is such a great room where they just show the legacy, decorate that. Like, the Japanese go hard for Jamaicans, so we love and appreciate that. We got yeah, the people. Let me finally reach. Let me finally reach. So yeah, so after 6 years of waiting, let me finally reach. Lamb, you like the look right, sir? You dip on the vlog, you have to say, you have to say Wagwan. Say something for your vlog. Say you know it's a Nayoka there.
Wasami.
Introduce yourself and your event.
Oh, I'm Nayoka Clunas.
Yeah.
Jamaica's national record holder in the hammer throw.
Get them. Get them, Reggie. Yeah.
Yes, we're outside. Don't you take out them people and put up weed.
I believe Safa. High jump, let me make them know who they on my channel when I know what going on.
The high jumper.
Alright. Out there. So you have Lammy and we have Nayoka.
Yeah, we're outside.
The two pair of them. Is it? You might more my picture right up in us, somewhere up in us beside the governor, is it? But yeah, I have to sign some autographs before we get on the bus, so let's get to that.
And then we have the governor of the third prefecture, Mr. Chi Trai, give his message of support to Jamaican delegation.
Mr. President Gale, and Mr. Ross, and Ms. Francis, and Ms. Parks, and TV hosts, and all the trainers and specialists, and great athletes from Jamaica. Hey, Wagwan.
Wagwan. Yeah.
We are very so happy to have you here again. Welcome back to Totori again.
Thank you.
And we are going to have a great athlete meeting in Tokyo, a world championship. But we believe in the value of your team, Jamaican track and field team. You are the biggest team, and the glory of your team will be promised. Anyway, please enjoy this occasion of your stay in Totori. This is your second hometown.
That's right.
We serve you with jerky chicken and fresh food and fresh milk and meat, everything you want. And we have hot springs here. Enjoy your stay in Totori Prefecture. Thanks so much. God bless Jamaica. Thank you.
God bless Japan.
Love, respect.
Wagwan. Nice.
Run belly, man, I like that.
Nayoka out that about run with the boy, yeah. Truck vibesy. Pure vibes. About to get on this bus. Alright. Oh, I guess everybody's out front. 10 minutes to sign and hit this bus. Konnichiwa, Jinky. Man, like running them pan start said way. And kissing them. Alright. Okay. Navaski Anderson. Hey. Yeah. Konnichiwa. Oh, the hat? You need the hat? Okay. Marker right here.
800メートルのアンダーソン選手。
Anderson. Yeah, Anderson. Yeah. They told the bus to wait. Yeah, they told the bus to wait. Right? You want right here or you want it right here?
ここに書きました。
Okay, right here?
ここですか？ここですか？
はい、欲しいです。頑張ってください。家で作ってきました。
What's your name? What's your number?
38番。
Anderson.
Anderson.
Oh,
Yeah.
I am so happy. Thank you.
Alright,
Thank you
no
very much.
problem.
Yeah.
Oh, the marker here is a two-way thing. Hello.
800メートルのアンダーソンさんです。
See here. Thank you. No problem. Arigato. Yeah. See you vlogging. No, you're good, you're good. Stay vlogging. You know, we're here vlogging.
Now on the big.
Yeah, man, in Jamaica.
Okay, hello.
800メートルのアンダーソン選手です。
Yeah.
Okay, the bus is leaving.
The bus is leaving?
Yeah, do you want to just try to get a taxi for another one?
They hold it for like an extra 10 minutes. Yeah, I gave them this.
Oh, yeah.
Yes,
Only for next 10 minutes.
they're waiting on you guys.
200メートルハーフ。400メートルハーフ。
Nice. Arigato. Thank you.
頑張って。Here?
Yeah. Yeah. Nice to meet you. Lovely meeting you.
5 more minutes, okay?
Yeah, me a vlog, man. Me active on the vlog.
No, the bus coming back. It run every hour. Yes.
Nice. Arigato. Me got you. Christine, I'm going to give Christine for vlog. Vlog takeover. Give me this. This I catch you now?
Thank you.
Hello, how are you? Oh, your shirt. Ah, that's big, man. That's big. Nice. Right here.
So 5 more minutes here, guys. We want to go on the bus.
5 minutes?
Yes,
Nice.
we will tell us to wait on you guys. So thank you for your participation, guys. Really appreciate it. Okay, so our athletes, hold on. Our athletes here signing autographs for the local community here, or the prefecture. Hold on. Sorry, I'm not the camera type of person, so just in case I'm not seeing the people then properly, courtesy of Christine there, alright? Yes, how you been?
Hold it tight.
Hopefully we catch it properly because you know already I'm very good with the camera, you know that? Don't know that. Thank you guys for your participation. You are such a good sport.
Thank you. Arigato. Yeah. Hey, what's up, man? How are you? Nice to meet you. Anderson.
Bigger?
This is so nice, guys. This is so amazing. This is the crowd.
Arigato, arigato. Arigato, go on up, Lami. Take care. Alright, thank you.
Take big time, celebrities.
We take with time.
Celebrities.
And a really celebrity, you know, we just do we thing, you know? Ambassadors. Ambassadors. I like the word there. Ambassador better than celebrity. Back at the vlog again. They up on the bus, I go back, you know, man like Crime Minister there. Man like Riker there said there.
One time, you know.
One time, yeah. Can't left out the boss, cloud boss on there, so make sure we can run good. Up and running. So yeah. One New Yorker.
One New Yorker, never two.
Never two. Hold on there, hold on there.
One Nana.
One Nana. I said Nana.
Nene. One Nana one.
So yeah, great day today, guys. Great day in the office. So big up Miss Parks up front same way, you know? Alright, Miss Parks. Yeah. Wilson said something to the camera. Hold on.
Some come my friend can look like a legend. I am not a legend.
You come my following can look like a legend.
And I am not.
No, you're a legend, man. You're,
Yes, sir.
you're a legend, bro. Coach here. Coach on the back. Coach always on the back.
You're a celebrity out here.
Right.
Goal second time around. Big celeb. You know what I'm saying? Goal is in the building.
10 years, me there.
10 years.
I'm old enough.
10 years of dominance.
But me not cool, me look younger than them.
Yeah. One goal and never two.
Yeah, don't know.
Me need one of that now. Yeah, man, one of them. It is necessary. Necessary. Yeah. Bye bye.